Welcome, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing our back to school grocery shopping. The kids has been out of school for 2 weeks, and I'm telling you, people, no food at all, no left in the house. Them eat everything. So yes, this grocery is gonna cost us a lot. So we're heading out to Costco, Walmart, and Food Basic. And we're gonna have to stop and eat something because we won't be able to cook any dinner this evening. So stay tuned for more. Already started tidying up the kitchen. And as you can see, we have lots of groceries to do today. Because the fridge is completely empty. No juice, no snack, nothing left in the fridge or the cupboard. For the 2 weeks Christmas holiday, them eat everything. Okay, guys, so the first store I stop is an international store, and this is where we get our plantains and like oxtail. So that's what I got today: plantain, oxtail, ginger tea, and two little beads for Mickey, and that cost us like $91, almost $100 right there. Okay, guys, we're heading to Costco. Today's grocery is gonna cost us a ham and a leg. That's for sure. You okay, Mickey? Yeah? Okay. Take your time. Careful. Put up. No, don't put it on the bread. Don't put anything on the bread. You can put it here, but not on the bread. Guys, it's super cold today. Oh my goodness. We're freezing. Woo. Okay, we just finished Costco. We're heading to Walmart. Mickey wants to hold my hand. Right, Mickey? So miserable. Guys, I'm in Walmart and I'm telling you, I'm hopping, I'm limping, I'm in pain because I worked last night and all this walking is making me so tired. You guys can pick one of the one them where they are so for $7. Mickey, you wanna try this one, Mickey?
This one's for me. No.
No.
For me, mommy.
What's that? Minions? Okay, let me see which one you pick. Which one is that?
The Hulk.
Avengers. Mickey, you want this one?
No.
Okay. Let's get a toothpaste for you. That one, Mickey? Okay, let's go.
Wait, what
That's it.
toothpaste? I need a toothpaste.
Where do we these? Huh?
There's one.
Mickey, but mommy can't afford that one. That one too expensive. It's $50. This one works just fine. It's pink. Oh, actually, Mickey, here. Oh, are you happy? Yes, that one is good. Okay, let's go. Come, Mick Josiah, you don't need no more chopsticks. You're wasting enough for this year. Go on. Mickey, go put your stuff up. Okay.
What? one is it good?
This is yours? No, this is yours. It's mine. You want to do a protection for $10?
Get off the cart, please. Joe, stop the jumping up and down and relax, Joe. Mickey, what you going over there for again? You already have chocolate egg. About a
So you have no
egg.
protection on this. You have checked how many years? How many want to keep at that one? You can return in 90 days if you don't want to.
Catch Mickey egg first so you not get squished. Guys, you can tell we are Jamaican with tough crackers catch up at the top this ally. Guys, there's so much grocery in the back. I can't even see my rear view mirror, guys. Oh my gosh, let me see how much money we spent. Like $270 just now in Walmart. Spent $250 at Costco. I spent $100 at the international store because I went and got plantain and oxtail and ginger tea and all these things that you don't really get at the Walmart and Food Basic. Joe, put your foot down now, Joe. My goodness. Guys, we're just gonna go to Nando's to eat some dinner and that's it. So that when we get home we just take out the grocery. Okay. Which juice do you want?
I'm a little bit nervous.
Eh?
I'm a little bit nervous.
Just pick one drink, Joe. Fanta, Coke, Sprite.
Oh.
There's nothing to be nervous about.
That one.
Root beer?
Yeah.
Okay, get it. Put your cup and press the button.
To keep pressing it.
Yeah, just keep pressing it. Mickey?
Stop. Yeah, I know. My turn.
Okay, wait. We have to go back. Okay, pick which one you get. Ice first. Okay, which drink?
Table number 1. Table number 1 or 4. It's a food.
So the Fanta have different flavor now. Cherry, strawberry, fruit punch, grape, peach. Okay, get your drinks.
Actually, I want the grape one.
So just press grape. Yeah. Mickey, come, your turn. What for Mickey? Mickey, don't follow Jojo and do nonsense. Okay, Mickey? Joe, why you blowing bubble? Joe, why you blowing bubble?
It's just fun.
Joe, you're really hungry. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, we're gonna try to eat some food now. The food has arrived. What are you doing?
Spicy.
We're gonna eat now. Guys, as you can see, the food done. Everybody eat them food. I really like to eat at Nando's because they do the chicken on the grill and it kind of give you this Jamaican jerk chicken back home feeling. Oh my God. People, I'm dying. I'm dying, I'm telling you. Look how tired I am. Huh? You want to take out the muffin and eat, Vicky, but we need to pack out grocery first. Huh? And then you can take out muffin and eat. Mickey just wants to eat. Yeah, when it's breakfast time, yeah. Joe, right now, what do you think we need to do right now? We need to pack out our grocery first. That's what we need to do right now. After we pack out the grocery. Eh? Your toothpaste? Let me fix it. Let me open it. They got new toothbrush and that's all they care about. Brush your teeth right now. These are like chicken strips for the boys to go to school for lunch. Mickey, I have grocery to pack out right now. Bringing me two, please.
I'm too hot.
Alright. So, okay, give me the onion, Joe.
Oh, onion?
I'll have a bag to put it in. Thank you.
Chocolate gems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, there was actually chocolate gems? Yeah, there's.
Don't worry about supper, gents. Go get the grocery cart. Come put in our fridge. Mickey, you getting pancakes
Someone escaped out around there.
and
Hey,
crackers?
no, get back here. I won't get it.
Oh
I
my
won't
goodness.
get that baby. Hey, no. Wow, what?
I'm still unpacking, guys. I bought some tasty patty. You know, it's not the same as the one out Jamaica, but it's better than nothing. And we like this tea. Oh, Mickey, look what mommy bought for you. And beads for your hair. Thank you. You say thank you?
Thank you.
And some plantains. Trying to put away stuff, guys, as my husband bring them because it's gonna be too much. Some milk. Well, guys, compared to this morning, my fridge is looking way better and fuller. Oh, yes. Well, guys, that's it for us today. Our grocery shopping, for the back to school and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like our video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.